Hi everyone, it's Gabriella. I'm going to be showing you how to get to the VRA Library button on the app. Once you open Viridian Life, you're going to go to your menu in the top left corner. About 6 options down, you'll see VRA Library. And then once there, you'll find all of the things needed, such as assessments, community charter, community documents, contact the VRA monthly financials, report a maintenance issue, VRA videos, and just some general information. VRA videos is a new button that we have added. Once you click on view videos, it'll take you to our YouTube page where you'll be able to find all of the old tutorials that we have done on how to find different buttons within the app. Now, as far as Elements residents go, only Elements residents will be able to see these buttons towards the bottom, and you'll also see ERA Library. And then all of the documents pertaining to Elements specifically will be able to be found there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the VRA.